Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and nutrient dense dal curry with red amaranth leaves. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of tur dal. Add in some water and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using red amaranth leaves in this recipe. So what I have done is I've washed and rinsed the amaranth leaves, and now I'm going to chop this finely. Okay, now I have chopped the red amaranth leaves. So this is 2 cups of red amaranth leaves. For tadka, I have chopped 1 medium-sized onion, 6 garlic cloves, 1/4 inch ginger which I have chopped, and 3 green chilies which I have slit and sliced like this. You can increase or decrease green chilies to suit your taste. The tur dal has soaked really well, and I have washed and rinsed it and added into my pressure cooker. Into that, I am adding in 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 glass of water, a fat pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder. Adding black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric faster into your body. And now I'm going to pressure cook this for about 3 to 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, I have turned off the flame, and now I'm going to make the tadka. To make the tadka, I have heated a wide heavy bottomed pan, and into that I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Now instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil from the place you live in. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutters, add in 4 whole red chilies which I am breaking into smaller pieces and adding in. Give this a stir. Next, add in the chopped garlic, ginger, green chilies and onion. And let it saute on low flame until the onion is transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent and is light pink in color, I'm going to add in some masalas. I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. And now I'm going to give this all a mix. And allow the masalas to get lightly roasted for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. After about a minute, add in the chopped red amaranth leaves. Give it a mix. Cover and allow the leaves to get wilted and lightly cooked. Let's check on the dal. The dal is perfectly cooked. So I'm just lightly mashing the dal. Add in 1 cup water and give it a mix. Open the lid and give it a stir. The amaranth leaves has cooked, so I'm going to add in the dal into this. Give it a mix and allow this to come to a boil. Also note that once the curry has cooled down, it will slightly thicken, so adjust water according to your preferred consistency. I have already added some salt in the dal, but I feel you need little more salt, so I'm adding in a little bit of pink Himalayan salt now. Give it a mix, and once it boils, turn off the flame and cover and let it sit for about a minute. Then you can serve it with rice or with roti. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.